Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering and preparing both devices. Plug the controller into USB or enable its pairing mode. That gives the PC a live device to detect. Once done, make sure Windows or Mac OS is updated and any prior controller drivers are closed to prevent conflicts. You'll also want to connect directly to a rear USB port or a powered hub. This avoids intermittent power drops. Finally, note the controller model name so you can download the exact driver or software when prompted. Now install drivers and establish the link. If the manufacturer provides software, install it first because it often adds firmware and mapping tools. If not, rely on the OSHID/X input support. For Bluetooth, open settings, select the controller in pairing list and confirm. Make sure the controller stays in pairing mode until the PC shows it as connected. For USB, connect the cable, wait for the driver to finish installing, and check Device Manager or System Report so you confirm a healthy connection before testing. Finish by configuring and verifying inputs. You should calibrate axes in the OS game controller settings or the vendor utility so movement is linear and dead zones are correct. Then map buttons inside your game launcher or Steam and save a profile. Once configured, run a short diagnostic test to press every button and move each stick. If something fails, restart the PC, swap cables or ports, and repair Bluetooth. That quick sequence resolves most recognition and latency problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.